Happy Vlogmas Day 6. It is Friday, finally the end of the week. I've got a pretty busy day today. I've got a few minutes now before I need to leave. My son is going to pick me up for brunch, which is very, very nice. And then Friday is usually date night with the hubby. So we're probably going to go out for a bite to eat for dinner. And in between all of that, I need to be down here, finish recording the tutorial for next week, hoping to get that finished today because, yeah, I need to get rid of all of the fabric and stuff that's been out for the tutorial. And then I have a fabric order that came in a few days ago now, and the box has been sitting on my cutting table that I want to open up with you all because this was Friday, Black Friday purchases. And yeah, I'm excited about them. But first, let's get the advent calendar done. So day 6 today is a message of sustainability. Interesting. Oh, and by the way, thank you to, gosh, I can't remember your name now. But one of you said, I think you might have forgotten 2 labels in yesterday's little box. And sure enough, I had. So in addition to the let's hang out or whatever labels, there were 2 iron me labels in that little door. So I got 4 yesterday, which is very nice. And today's label are make, wear, wash, repair. There we go. Very cute. Love that green. All right, so like I said, yeah, I've only got a few more minutes before my boy shows up at my door to pick me up and take me to brunch, which will be very, very nice because I'm starving right now. So bacon and eggs sound really good. And then, yeah, like I said, I'll come back here, do a little bit of sewing and recording, and then share my box of goodies with you. And who knows, I might see something interesting while I'm out and about and take you along. So I will leave it here for now, and I'll see you back soon. Hello, so I am back from brunch. Had a very nice chat with my boy. It was all very, very good. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon now, and I'm hoping to spend a couple of hours down here recording that tutorial. But before I do that, I figured I would just hop back on and tell you about the fabrics I got during a Black Friday sale. So I ordered these from Core Fabrics. They had a 30 to 60% off on most of their fabrics, and I grabbed a few just because they were heavily discounted and I loved them. So I thought I would go through them with you. So the first thing I got is a signature jewel tone Eco Vero viscose in the color emerald. And look at this. This is stunning. It's really vibrant green. I have 3 meters of this, and I'm going to make myself probably a Vernon. Although 3 meters, I can probably do the Vernon with the wider collar and the lantern sleeves. I think that would look stunning with black pants, like my black Miriam trousers, for example. I think that would be the perfect top for work. And on top of that, little aside, I am a member, you all know I've talked about this before, I'm a member of the Everyday Style group. Yeah. And every season they release a capsule guide for the season, a color palette for the season, and 39 items for your capsule. I don't always reproduce the capsule because it's just a lot when you sew your own clothes and you don't buy. But I love to get the capsule guide, go through the color that they picked for the season. And this color green is in the palette, as well as this purple, actually, and black is one of the neutrals. So this will fit perfectly with the capsule if I do decide to work on one for the season. I'm actually thinking, so what they did this season, which is really, really cool, is besides the 39 pieces that go into the capsule, they made from the same pieces 2 other capsules, one that is workwear only. So it's fewer pieces, but really a workwear capsule. I'm really, really intrigued by that. I think it might be worth making a capsule just for work. And then they have an athleisure capsule. So they grabbed all of the items from the capsule that were more on the athleisure side and prepared a capsule with that. So the 39 piece capsule is more of a smart casual type vibe. And for my personal life, it's either I'm at work or I'm going to wear athleisure because either I'm home or I'm just running errands or I'm going to a hockey game. I very rarely wear something that is smart casual. I'm either at work or I'm at the hockey rink, you know? So I'm thinking, without doing the full-on 39 pieces this season, what I might do is create 2 capsules for myself. One for work, one for not work. Because that might work better for me. And I really love a few of the pieces they put in the capsule. And maybe I'll do a video during Vlogmas on what my plans would be if I were to make myself a workwear capsule wardrobe. So anyways, this might be the first piece of the capsule, a beautiful blouse in this emerald green viscose fabric. The second piece is probably not going to be until the spring that I'm going to wear this, but this is a stretch viscose twill. It's a dead stock fabric, and I got 5 meters of this because I was thinking a dress. And here is the fabric. Look how gorgeous this is. This is not 100% opaque, so I probably would have to line this in a white viscose or something like that, for at least for the skirt. I mean, it's stiffer than I thought it would be. I mean, it's a twill, but it's a rayon twill. So I don't know if it's going to soften up after I wash it, but yeah, it's a lot stiffer than I thought it would be. So if it doesn't soften up after I wash it, this might get turned into lined trousers with a jacket. Like, how fun would that be for spring, summer? Like a nice pair of trousers and a cute little lady jacket or something like that for work, or like a dressier type of an event, like a family dinner or something like that. That might be really, really fun, but I couldn't resist this print. So 5 meters of this. And then I got a brush stroke leafy viscose twill in fuchsia, bright pink. And look at this. This is so nice. I think I have the exact same print. I'm going to have to go through my stash in another color though, but I absolutely loved this. I mean, the brown is really not up my street, but that pink really, really is. So yeah, I've got 5 yards of this again. So this will definitely be turned into a dress. I think I can wear a dress in this color in the winter, but I can definitely wear something like this in the spring and summer. It is a rayon. It is, well, it doesn't say, hold on. It's 120 GSM, so it's fairly lightweight. So yeah, spring, summer, definitely, maybe even winter. But I've got 5 meters of this, so definitely a dress in this. I haven't decided what dress yet, but I think that one, I think the pink one was 60% off. I just couldn't say no to that. And then I bought matching thread and a couple packs of microtex needles because I was running out. And when you're sewing with rayon a lot, you need microtex needles. So there's my little core fabric haul. Really excited about those. Now I need to find a place for them in my stash that is once again getting too full. So I don't have a whole lot of room in this room to keep my fabric. I have calyx units. I have 4 cubes for my stash, and they are all pretty full already. So I don't know if this is even going to fit in there, but yeah. So now I need to stop buying fabric for a while and sew what I do have. So yeah. All right, so I'm going to leave it here for now. I'm going to get back to recording my tutorial, and I will come back at some point later to wrap it all up. So I'll see you in a bit. And I'm back. It is much later in the day. It's actually evening. I've been pretty lazy today. I've not been feeling great, like almost like a tummy ache. It's been very strange. So after my son left, I came down here, but just kind of browsed the internet and scrolled Instagram. But then I fell on a pattern that I think would be perfect for my Think Pink fabric that you can see right here. So this gorgeous viscose fabric, I thought I could turn into the Nephiline blouse by Vivian Cho Chen. Yeah, I'm probably, not pronouncing that right, but I'm going to pop a picture here and a link down below to the pattern. It's such a pretty blouse. It's got a scoop neck with like a frill around here. And when I went shopping and trying on clothes in Charlotte with Cynthia from Mountain Accent Sewing and Christine from Christine Sews a Lot, I tried on a dress that had like a frill at the neckline. And although I'm not a big fan of frills at the shoulders or anything like that, I really liked that pie crust type thing around the neck. And it's like an A-line, so it's more fitted at the bust, but then skims over everything else. And it's got a D cup in my size, so I might not even need to do a full bust adjustment. Yeah, I'm really, and before I hit the purchase button, I just wanted to ask all of you, or if any of you have made any of her patterns and what you thought of them, because this would be a first purchase for me. But I absolutely love the style of that blouse. So let me know in the comments if you've ever heard of this blouse or if you've ever made one of her patterns. Yeah, because if it works out, if any of you say, yeah, it's a good one, I'm going to hit the purchase button and get this and turn that into that blouse. I think it would be really nice. And then I spend some time, and hold on a second, looking at the Everyday Style Winter capsule. So I printed, so here's the color palette. I'm not going to show you a whole lot of the capsule because that's, that wouldn't be right. I pay for this. But the colors are absolutely stunning. And yeah, I started flipping just through the capsule guide and thinking of ways to use some of the pieces I already have and deciding what I might want to sew up for the winter. I mean, the good news about investing in a winter capsule when you live in Montreal is that you're going to be able to wear it for months and months and months. I mean, winter is just getting started over here, and it's going to last till April. So yeah, so let me know about the Nephiline blouse and if you've ever heard of it. And if not, if you have any suggestions for what I could make with my gorgeous fabric. I really want a nice top, like billowy sleeves, nice flowy top that I could wear with jeans, but maybe also more dressed up with like navy trousers or something like that. Yeah, just send me all of your thoughts in the comments below. All right. I know it's probably been a pretty, well, not boring, but pretty uneventful day for you all, or a pretty uneventful Vlogmas day. But I'm going to end it here because I'm going to edit and upload this and probably go to bed. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.